Once upon a time, in a dense magical forest, lived a cheerful little girl named Maria. She had bright curly hair and eyes full of curiosity. One day, while exploring the woods, she heard soft cries coming from a nearby bush. When she peeked inside, she discovered a teeny bear cub lost and scared. "Don't be afraid," Maria whispered gently. The cub, sensing her kindness, slowly came out from hiding. Its fur was soft and it had the biggest, most innocent eyes Maria had ever seen. She named him Bruno. From that day on, Maria and Bruno became the best of friends. They played together in the meadow, chased butterflies, and even shared berries. Maria taught Bruno how to climb trees, while Bruno showed her secret trails deep in the forest. They were inseparable. One evening, as the sun set, Maria realized that Bruno missed his family. Determined to help him, Maria promised to find his mother. They ventured far and wide, through rivers and hills, until finally they heard a deep, familiar growl. It was Bruno's mother. Overjoyed, Bruno rushed to her, and Maria smiled with relief. Though she knew it was time to say goodbye, Maria was happy to have helped her dear friend, and so she waved one last time as Bruno and his mother disappeared into the forest. From then on, whenever Maria visited the forest, she would hear a friendly growl in the distance, reminding of her loyal friend, the bear.